I am Vijay Martin. Basically, I'm from mechanical background. I got placed last week. QSpiders is a great platform for other department for enter into IT. They can be teach from the basics of computer. So it is very useful compared with other institute. They can be teach in English only. So it is very useful to performance in interview. Both Nandis and Subham sir are so friendly and most supporter. They are great talented people. Whatever they teach in the interview, that only ask in the whatever they teach in the class, that only ask in the interview. The QSpider counseling team, they are beautifully explain about the course, and they encourage the student in the class going time. In my hand there is a literally blood dropping. They care like a parent and we send it to me hospital. QSpider HR team, they support a lot every students. They can be give the lot of chance for the students. I got lot of chance. Thanks for the QSpider team for encouraging and keep going.